In 2023, Samsung introduced the S23 range, the newest S-series smartphones. A 200-megapixel boost over the S22 Ultra's 108 megapixels was added for the introduction of the S23 Ultra smartphone. The main camera on the Galaxy S23 Ultra from Samsung received a considerable improvement, while the rest of the hardware remained almost same. With a greater resolution, it also enhanced the selfie camera, but don't anticipate the firm to make any significant camera improvements with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, its next-generation flagship model. The 200-megapixel ISO cell HP2 camera sensor will be used for the main camera on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, according to a report from trustworthy site Digital Universe. The telephoto camera on the next phone will supposedly have a 3x optical zoom, while the ultra-wide camera will reportedly have a 12-megapixel Sony IMX564 sensor. The 10x optical zoom telephoto camera is the only sensor that is being upgraded. In order to achieve its greatest optical zoom range, the business reportedly uses a slightly enhanced 12-megapixel Sony IMX754 Plus sensor. The additional camera quality enhancements on the Galaxy S24 Ultra could only be made via software and processing upgrades, if this information is correct. Otherwise, we should expect to see just small improvements in the operation of the 10x zoom. Regarding the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus camera, no information has been revealed. But if the Galaxy S24 Ultra doesn't make any notable camera improvements, the same may be said for the other two phones in the series. The Galaxy S24 series might possibly increase battery life while bringing additional RAM and storage. In Asia and North America, Samsung is anticipated to equip the Galaxy S24 series with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. In Europe, the business may provide Exynos 2400 variations of the phones. Both of these processors are anticipated to feature the most recent CPU cores from ARM. More details about the Exynos 2400 are anticipated to be revealed before the end of this year, and it is anticipated to provide 4x the GPU performance of the Exynos 2200. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.